What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to make this video before we see any type of thing that's happening with the market that goes the opposite direction. But crypto is absolutely exploding as of the time of recording this video. It is 11:20 a.m. and things are looking ridiculous right now. I'm not sure how people are going to react to this and how much retracement we're going to see, but from where we were when USDC was at a certain level, and actually before that, because USDC actually created a positive spin on the market for some reason. Um, but as we saw with how things were really taking place with all the liquidations, the bankruptcies, the failures, just all of that stuff, the negativity, things were down to like a $900 billion market cap. And that was overall. And now we're seeing things that are absolutely flying. I got to show you this and I got to talk about what's happening today and really break down maybe as to what we are seeing here and when we could see this kind of cool off a little bit, as well as maybe even speed up. So it all depends on what's going to happen in the next day or so. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. I also have a link for my Patreon down below if you guys want to get some educational content. And we are going to have some courses and stuff like that on certain levels of the Patreon. And I also do one-on-ones at the highest level of the Patreon. Every single month we meet together and, talk for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on what we need to talk about, what we need to discuss. But yeah, if you guys want to check that out, feel free to check out those links down below. But again, let's talk about the crypto market because, like I said, crypto went from looking horrendous and people questioning if they were even going to see any type of positivity to now being back where it was at some of the highest points of these low areas that we're at now. So, and I'm not saying, oh, we're seeing it absolutely explode like we did before, where it's like a 4% increase or anything like that. Today, we are seeing a 13% increase in the crypto market, up to a $1.08 trillion market cap, from a $900 billion market cap all the way up to a $1.08 trillion market cap in a matter of 2 days, seeing USTC or USDC that has fallen so hard down to 87 cents and then back up to a dollar, fully recovered, and other stable coins as well. And now you're seeing things like Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything really start to run. So let's dive into that, all of the different detail. You can see what is trending right now, obviously, is USDC because of what did happen and where it got to. But people see what they can end up gaining out of this. I know people were moving from USDC over to Tether and gaining whatever they can gain there as it went up to like $1.03. But gaining so much more with USDC was just phenomenal. Not me, but I know some people that have. From 87 cents up to a dollar, you're literally gaining 13 cents on a stable coin, knowing that it's going to get back up to the original price point. That's what people live for. When they see a stable coin that actually has a lot of strength and actually has backing from real world assets, you start to understand that this is going to get back to a dollar. And when it does, you gain whatever the difference is, which is 13 cents. And if you put in, let's say you put in $100,000, you just gained $13,000 just by putting $100,000 into USDC. Is that not insane? Right? And that's a stable coin that is going to remain stable. Yes, they had a little bit of a blemish, but they showed the strength and how they can survive and how they can push forward. So that was huge. And that's obviously trending. And I know people that have made a ton of money from USDC and the fall as well as the rise. But more importantly, the entire crypto market looks absolutely phenomenal. You're seeing Bitcoin that's up 18% today, up to 24,000. If you look at where it was just 24 hours ago, it was at 20,500. It rose by $4,000 in one day, in 24 hours. Insane, absolutely insane, amazing, and I'm sure people are excited. Ethereum up to 1,700, back up to some of the highs that it was at for these low points. I think it got up to like 1,800 for a while, and now as we saw these lows, it's now getting back to that level of 1,700 and pushing some of the envelopes even higher, right? Or the envelope even higher. BNB up to $313, up 12% in the last day. You're seeing Cardano that's up 14%. I recently made an investment in there at 30 cents, buying another, I think it was 2,000 or 3,000 coins. So I'm up on that investment. Very happy with that. Dogecoin is up to 7 cents, 7.3 cents, up about 10.8%. Solana. Somebody asked me about an investment in Solana recently at a level of 16 cents, and now it's up 17 or 18%, up to $21.35. Polkadot up 12%. Let's scroll down here. Shiba Inu is up 10%. That's back up to 0.000001121. So back up to that 11 level instead of the 10 level. So that's great to see. Litecoin's up 18%. Wrap Bitcoin, you see that up 17%. Cosmos is up 8%. Trying to find some bigger gainers. Ethereum Classic up 16%. 28% for Filecoin, which is amazing. 31% for LDO. Little DAO, as well as 22% for Aptos. So if we look at overall, what's the highest things that have moved? You're seeing CFX. I don't know what that is. I've never heard of it, but it is 72 on the list, and you're looking at that up 63%. SNX, that's up about 50%. Stacks, it's up 42% today. So from a level of 50 cents, where someone just asked me about Stacks in the live stream, and I said how, I believe I said how it does have, some potential. It has a lot of people or a lot of, volume behind it. But there obviously are some question marks with a lot of things. But Maker up 42% in the last 24 hours from a level of $667 up to about $1,000. If you're holding Maker, like, you're obviously happy. You're obviously happy there. So anyways, market's looking amazing. So what's really happening here? Why are we seeing the market this steady? Well, probably definitely inflow of institutional investing a little bit, but also maybe there may be a little bit of positivity around the CPI data that's supposed to come out soon in the next day. And if we're looking at positive CPI data, we also see positivity to the market. It could also be something to where it's a more of a buy the rumor of CPI data and sell the news of actual CPI data. So you don't really know. So that's where it's kind of like you're between a rock and a hard place. Do you make that decision to take this profit? Because that is a massive amount of profit for what we've seen. 13% up in the markets. I'm sure a lot of people will be happy. And then you're also seeing the other side where it's like it could come completely back down. So if you're going to take profit, you would end up benefiting from it. But if it continues, if this is a continuation of a bullish market, because things are up by 13%, that's phenomenal. So I don't know. You make that decision. Definitely something you have to kind of look into and do a little bit more research minute by minute, hour by hour, and just understand if this is more of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing, or if this is a buy the rumor, buy the news, buy everything until the end of time, because we are supposed to be entering a bull market, and we're back at it from a level, I believe the lowest level for Bitcoin was like 19, right? Or did it get down to only 20 for the last week? 19,600, and the highest point is 25,000. So honestly, I'm excited for what's to come, and I hope it's a complete bullish market. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also down in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.